Howdy folks, welcome back to part 2 of my last video. Here we've got a still shot of the notebook as it was progressing where we left off, and you can see how I've taken some of the script and I've started to fill in the blanks where I want things to go on each of the 2 panels. And here on those 2 panels we have sketched out the rule of 3 that gives us guidelines to start doing that transferring. I had to begin with a little test. I've been having problems with the gel pen I've been using when it comes to actually doing the lettering and the artwork on the comic. It works fine for making the borders, but when it came to actually inking out over the pencil, it didn't want to transfer. It didn't want to work very well. It was like for example, the pen was just cold and the ink wouldn't flow. So I tried a suggestion I found online with a red pencil that I had, and I didn't have any better luck. After struggling with the pen for I don't know how long, just to get this one balloon inked in, I made the decision to go ahead and keep working on the rest of the sketch and planning a trip to the hobby store. And presto, it's the next day, and I managed to find a quill pen. It doesn't really say what size it is. I'm guessing this is a medium, and this pack came with India ink and also a cleaning solution, and I think it's just what we need. So with the new pen, I tried it out on a separate piece of paper before putting it to the comic, and I can't tell you how much faster this is going to be. And at this point of the comic, you've already figured out what you want, so it's really time to draw. And to have it go so quickly is just going to be so cool. It's just so cool. That's all I can say. If you are trying to do your own comics, find a calligraphy pen or a quill pen and get to it. You'll love it. So here's a few final shots of everything coming together really quickly. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to get started on the next comic strip.